What's up, guys? Good morning. What's up, the ones good? How you doing, man? Slow morning. Not a whole lot going bump in the night here. Happy Tuesday, man. TNMG. TNMG got rejected 3 times to the triple top. 1, 2, 3 rejected. Back down to VWAP. See if they're going to attempt it one more time. What's up, Doug Funny? Ooh, rain is getting its ass kicked. Damn. Slow morning. Did I miss something? Is there is it like a vacation time or what's going on? What's up, JC4192? Hey, there we go. This one finally woke up. So currently it's at resistance. Its next resistance is going to be right here, 142, 142. Still asleep here. Go to the 30, zoom out, roll over. Oh, look at that. It's been there before. Wonder why. $1, always a psychological level of resistance. I don't see any gaps or nothing. So, don't know. You guys hear me okay? Good morning, Night Owl. Nothing. Got rejected. We're still waiting. For something else to move. It's really, it's a slow start. MGN. Whoops. TNMG. I like MGN better. This one here ran me 20 cents yesterday. 28 cents? Yeah, 28 cents. Something like that. So it's making another go at it. What's up, Alma Mama? Everything sounds good. Thank you, Night Owl. Joseph, what up? All right, this one's coming up for us a little bit here. TNMG. Little gap right there. Nothing much. You see how things repeat? Spiked here, hit 54 cents. Spiked here, hit 54 cents. Rejected. Rejected. So once it breaks through, could it get up to here? 67. That's the next little area there. 67. These are old. Don't pay them no attention. Did you hit that DFNS from last week? Crazy. Ah, it ran again yesterday. Of course, yeah, we did. We got a piece of that. Good morning, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Got rejected hard. Needs more. This one needs more volume. It just needs more. It's not doing anything for me at the moment. Thanks, Joseph. Thank you for sharing. Appreciate it. Guys, please share the live, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, do that stuff. Yo, good morning, Cree. Man, Rain is just getting taken apart. We're just watching this one right now. It's slow. It's funny, this guy always comes in here. He gets blocked every time. I have confirmed analysis. Anyone wants recover losses? Well, anyone wants recover your losses, just message me. I will recover. Hurry up. Well, okay, sure. I'll bite. You're so silly. Anyone wants to recover your losses? I don't get it. I don't know. I don't know how these guys do it. Yeah, look at it. Just keeps having trouble with that 54 cents. Previous resistance, continuous previous resistance. Thanks, Cree, for sharing. The dude said, hurry up. I know, right? I'm hurrying up right now, man. I am hurrying up. How about you move over my way? That's right, just a little bit. Yeah, we need the next round. Get trick about it. Let's get to thinking anything we need to think about it. Well, I see we got nothing to lose, and I kind of got something to prove. How do we just let baby girl, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. All right. There she goes. She finally picked up some volume. There it is. Okay. We're playing the breakout, so let's see if it wants to pull back a little bit. Just bought me in. Let's see if it wants to hit 67 and 84. Come on. Just a little bit. Man, MGM got smacked as well. Got smacked down to 1550. Ooh. DXST. A lot of them got kind of, I don't know if you want to call it recycled. I think I'd call it recycled. They got recycled this morning. They pushed a little bit and then they dumped pretty hard. I prefer the start. I prefer yesterday's start. Yesterday's start was a lot more fun than today's so far. It's been kind of boring. Not gonna lie. Let's roll. We need more of those hurry ups. More hurry ups in here. Nope. Ball out trades? Nope, not at all. Hey, but if I ever wanna talk prop trades, I'll hurry up. That guy's funny. Hurry up. I think he was hurrying up while he was typing that. Cardinal, thank you for the hearts, me man. Appreciate you. Come on, let's go. Let's get our targets. Let's go. I don't have enough yet. Don't have enough information to do my 5-minute chart. But there we go. We're pushing. Come on, 5 more pennies, and we got TP1. This is how we do. Look at you, Creed. Look at you, Creed. Just blocking everybody, unblocking people, blocking, unblocking. Creed is on fire. All these big ones moving. AOI, freaking. You got COHR. Yeah, no. You had to tell them no. This is how we do. This is how we do. Come on, TNMG, let's go. Oh, thank God my coffee just turned on. Oh, yay, coffee. Woohoo. All right, in the chat, put what's your favorite kind of coffee if you drink coffee. If not, in the chat, put what your favorite beer is in the morning. I'm just kidding. Yeah, no, seriously. What's your favorite coffee? Hot, squids. Shit, I'll drink sock water. I don't care. Right? Good morning. Hope you are all profitable today. What's up? Never mind. Black hot. Yep. I drink mine black as well. And yes, lukewarm for me, not fucking piping hot. I don't know how you guys do piping hot. And my uncle's like that, but you give him just a little tiny spice and he cries like a little baby. How many of you watched my little video, my little 15-minute video on how to bitch and complain at the company that did the yard work at my my uncle's house? How many of you guys watch that funny ass shit? I'm sending that to the company, to the supervisor I talked to yesterday. It's a good video, I think. Anyways, Pete's. You like Pete's? You like Pete's? So I take it. Do you use the K cups, or do you like your coffee ground? Do you like do a carafe? What do you do? Do you put it on TT as well? That's where I put it. I put it on TikTok. It's on TikTok. I didn't mention the company because I don't want to bash them. I mean, hey, everybody hires the wrong person to do the right job. Unfortunately, they do the wrong job, and it's the wrong person. K-cups. I'm telling you guys, if you guys like some good dark coffee, there's Death Wish coffee is delicious. I look forward to drinking that every morning. I'm not sponsored by them, but one day I will be. I'll have a big old Death Wish t-shirt or some shit like that. I seen your long video. Yeah, I was not happy. Major Dixon brand. We're just shooting the shit right now because the market's very slow. We're waiting for this little guy to get these two targets here. 67 first. If it has enough volume, then that volume is going to push it up to 84. Man, I feel like all right, do I have 5 minutes yet? 5 minutes of charting? No, not yet. Not really. I mean, I have 5 minutes, but this line on a 5 minute would just look like that. You know what I can do is I can go to my 30. I can do the 30 here. Let's see. Let's do a little something here. Well, testically speaking, you can see if you draw yourself a straight line across the top of all these tops here, it's a rising one, right? So that means it's making higher highs. Lows, on the other hand, on a 30-minute, they're pretty even. They're not really higher. They're not really doing much. Trying to make my own coffee now with dandelion root. Oh, all right. All right. He's being creative. That's nice. I mean, there is a gap all the way up here, but look at that, it's struggling. I mean, I'm down $2.48 when I was up like almost $5. It's at 55 cents right now. I'm in at 57. This thing seriously needs to start moving the right direction. I mean, seriously needs to push up. It's not going to win any races moving the way it is. I don't think it likes the music. I think that's what it is. Yeah, a little bit of Margaritaville. Let's go. Living on sponge cake. Living on sponge cake. I'll send you some. Awesome, thanks. Let's go. All right. $2.68 up. Let's go. I'm rich. $3, $4. There we go. Looks like it wants to hit it. Finally, something's moving. And technically, that is a 3-line strike right there, my friends. Just needs to close above these three little guys right here. I love it. Close this 1 minute candle above there, and that would make me happy. Nothing would make me happier than doing the... Wait. What's happier? What? Oh, no, it's what's better. What's better than doing the back? What's better than a catfish doing the backstroke in the shallow end of the kiddie pool? Honestly, my favorite is McDonald's coffee. LOL, hot as hell. Yes, yeah, they got sued for that. Hey, there we go. Look at that, guys. We hit target 167. All right, let's go 84 now. Come on, push that shit. We finally did it. We finally had some movement in the correct direction. Let's fucking go. Who's with me? Who's excited? Throw some fireballs in the chat. Let's go. If you don't like fireballs, then throw some eggplants, because you are a eggplant. Oh, God, I don't know. Something's wrong with me. Lots of things are wrong with me. Lots of them. Come on, man. Go push, push, push. The 5-minute chart's still just showing me that this thing's moving up. There's 67 again. Come on. Come on, chili pepper. Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I get excited when it hits a target. It's fun when it hits a target. Does TNMG have news? Henrisky? TNL Medigene established a special committee to evaluate strategic alternatives, engages Imperial Capital and financial advisor to pursue strategic alternatives to maximize shareholder value. There we go, 69. Hey, 69. Are you out of your mind? Not at this time. Not at this early in the morning. Let's go. Keep pushing. Come on, 84. I guess I should set up my cell up here, huh? Oh, look at that. Oh, we're going. We're going. We're going. We're gone. And we just made our money. Look at that. We're out. Boom shakalaka mother. Throw up some fireballs for your boy here. I'm telling you, 132. Next stop is the gap. 132 has a gap. I think that's what I saw. Oh, shit, I don't know. But hey, look at that. We just made some money. That was fun. That was fun and easy. Wasn't that relaxing? How about that? We were listening to, you know, some Margaritaville. Thanks, Rob. Oh, there's always a woman to blame. God gave them the right parts. I'm talking about their brains and their beautiful eyes. Sheesh. Tough crowd. I'm trying to wake up, guys. It's tough. It's tough. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How was that? I mean, that was pretty easy. There was zero stress there. I had a low position in it. I'm surprised they hit 999 right on the knuckle. Oh boy. Let's go. We want more. We want more. So basically this thing was alerted below 67. It was probably alerted right about this one right here. So 62 cents maybe. 62 cents to 99 cents. There you go. You know, you 37 cents right there. 37 cents, that's all you need. You have $100 in it, you make $37. Why wouldn't you be happy? And technically, like, you know, if I was a patient man, I would wait. I would wait a little longer. But I'm not. I'm not a patient man, and I know I give away my profits. I do know that. So there's no need to do that. Nah. No need to do that. This is the only one actually trying to do something right now that is kind of weird. So guys, don't forget to go Jrockstocks. It's on your screen, jrockstocks.com. That is my website. It is all about trying to be as transparent with you as possible. You were calling it on that dip when it was 57. There you go. See? Captain. Thank you. See, you're paying attention more than I am. That's awesome. I'm sleepy. And the Fresca ain't doing it. Come on. So this is a little micro pullback. Let's see if it finds some support and continues, or is it going to bump its head again on $1? Maybe get up to $1.02, retrace a little bit. Hopefully not all the way back to the volume weighted average price, because it is a little extended for right now. Now I got in at 62 and rode to 68. Good job, Captain. Money, 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 money. All right, big green candle. Let's go. I'm looking for other things as well. I'm not seeing anything, so that's why I'm not calling anything out. That's why we're sitting here watching this one just putz around. I love how it's respecting the levels. Goodness. Okay. Very quickly, I'm going to run and get myself coffee. TikTok, don't get mad at me because I'm just going to get coffee. I'll be right back. You don't want to come out. You don't want to be alone. It's almost like for two to have a little soiree. You're in the mood. Sit tight right where you are, baby. I'll be at your door in 10 minutes. Whenever you get up, girl, stay in it. You ain't gotta read it. We'll have a good time. We'll bring the good time with you. We'll have a... Man, oh man. Ooh, this is going to be so good in my ginormous cup. I do love me some good coffee in a ginormous cup. All right, let's keep on looking. There's got to be something else popping around. Wow, that is hot. That is piping hot. My wife makes the coffee really hot. She needs to set it down just a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, fuse. Fuse? Why fuse? Fuse what? What would you like me to fuse? Not my trailer. My trailer has not been functional yet. I mean, meaning for camping and stuff. Because I haven't been able to go camping or anything. Shit, I gotta do my... I gotta clean out my storage unit. Something you'll know about Vegas, we have like zero room for anything. Like there's no storage. We have storage places all over Vegas because the houses, they have zero storage in them. The garage is a 2-car garage, but technically it's a 1-car garage. They call it a 2-car garage because they think you can pull up one car on the other and park sideways like this. And no, just kidding. All right, well, okay. So these are previous targets. On this one here, I would say possibility, because look, it's hit there before. So 180, maybe 187, 182. So go 182 on here. That's your first target. I would love to say that this is your first target, but this is right here. It's just, it doesn't have a whole lot of motion in that ocean. So this would be your third target here. So previous targets, they're still there. I mean, these are extended targets up here, but this thing pushes, get some good news or something. Fuse receives 2.5 million convertible note investment from existing investor Meteor Capital at fixed. What the hell? Something on my screen? Something was on my screen. I think it was a moth. What the hell is that? Let's try that again. Meteor Capital fixed conversion price of $4.20 per share and 2.05 million warrants exercisable at $4.20 per share. All right, I'm sure there's a trap in here somewhere. FCUG. FCUV. Plenty of times have we looked at this one recently. It rocked. It rolled. Now it's just chilling. TNMG still Trying. Sorry guys, TNMG is going to be the one I'm going to be talking about here. So now I've got some good footing on here. Look, I can do a 5-minute chart. I'd spread it out, tighten it up, and now I can draw myself a line here. This bottom trend line. I'm all about trend lines. You guys, if you've been watching me, you guys know that. But so draw your trend lines, right? So 5 minutes, you can draw it off of that bottom there. It's crazy. There's no bottom wicks. No bottom wicks there. Just these little top wicks here. All right. So now on this one here, you're looking for a break, as you can see. 99, 95. Let's see how high this one gets. I'd wait for a break of $1. All right, the one script. Thanks for chilling, man. I think that's the longest I've gotten to hang out with you in the morning. You were the first one on the live stream. Have a great day, my friend. It's hard to run momentum when there's no momentum. Night Owls, we got some fireballs there. All right, here's another question. Hey, what's up, Gonzo? Thanks for the roses. Appreciate you, man. Here's another. Yeah, wicked slow. Here's another question for you. Do you like hunting or do you like fishing? While we sit here in complete boredom. Both, okay. Yeah, that's a good woman right there. That's a good woman right there. Doug, hunting. What do you like to hunt? Everything. Human. Fishing, but hunting is the next best. Awesome, man. ADGM. What about ADGM? Picked up a little bit. Yeah, this one's gonna be hard to watch because it's a little slow, but I mean, what I would expect it to do is bounce off of the volume weighted average price. Turkey, right on. My platform sucks. Pre-market under review. Under review. Grr. Dave Bow. What platform are you using? This one here. This is Weeble. With this big cup, I had to put 3 ice cubes in it so it'd cool down enough for me to be able to, with my little sissy mouth, be able to drink it. You know I'm always fishing. Yes, you are, Night Owl. I've never gone hunting. I think I could. I don't know. Maybe it would wear on me, but I don't know. I once almost shot a squirrel in the head and I felt bad. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little soft when it comes to shooting cute little deer. TD. Direct investing in Canada. Need to switch. Yeah, Dave Bow. I don't know if Weeble would be better for you. I'm not sure what forgot what how Canada acts with Weeble. All right, here we go. There's 58. Let's see if we can break through this volume weighted average price. That's a good come up, 41 to 59. You can't complain about that. TNMG still struggling with that 90. It's at 80, 85 again. So yeah, so you're waiting for a break of this little guy here. You can use a 5-minute chart on this sucker. See a little double bottom. Possible little weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern. Now that it's above volume weighted average price, you want it to create a base there. Is it worth it? What do you mean? Is Webull worth it? It's free. Webull's free, and it, I mean, for me, again, I don't know about Canada, but for me here, lets me trade from 1 a.m. all the way until 5 p.m. So that means I get to trade all day if I want to. Literally all day. Like, been looking at Webull, like it, we'll dig in. Yeah, so I have a link. I don't know if you want some free shit. There's a link on my website. If you use my link, I get free shit, you get free shit. It's fun. Usually once your money clears in there, Webull gives you something. So here we go. This is its next little point of resistance here. 70 cents. But currently looks like it's trying. I mean, I like the fact that it's above volume weighted average price. It's 68 cents. Let's see. Is it going to pull back? I'd like it to pull back before it continues. That would be a healthy move. That would be a very healthy move. Pull back to VWAP. You know, let's see. How did this thing do? How did this thing do yesterday pre-market? Okay, nice steady rise. Pumped to 88, dumped to 39. All right, let's see. I think I priced this thing out yesterday. I do remember that gap 103. Yeah. I think I priced this thing out yesterday. All right. So there is 80 GM right there. There's your, this is a target. Believe it or not, it's way up there. I know. And it's actually a gap. So your first target probably going to be, it's probably going to be about 86, 84. Yeah, we'll go with 84. That's your first target. I like that it's creating a base. It's creating a base right up there, so that's good. It's a small pullback. Come on, is it going to get to VWAP? All right, there's my pullback to VWAP that I wanted. Let's see, is she going to move up now, or is she going to keep going? This is exactly the test that we wanted to see. We wanted to see what it would do with volume weighted average price. YYGH. TNMG fell down as well, 78 cents. YYGH 158. Float 2.98 million. And the and the volume is climbing 1.4 million. See, the fact that this broke volume weighted average price, I'm no longer interested. Needs to get back over VWAP. All right, while we sit and wait to figure this out. ENSC bumping. It's bumping up a little bit. There's your first target on there. Let's see. A little bit. Not much. It is painfully slow. Oh, man. Come on, baby. Back above VWAP. All right, let's try it. Let's take a gander. There we go. We're in at 61.70. Just a little above VWAP. Let's see if she wants to keep on pushing. Come on. Come on, Tim Timmer. All right. So I'm not very trusting of this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and set my sell up there at 83. But because we're going to be watching this for a second, I'm going to drop this down to right about there. Come on, baby. Go. Go, go, go. Break through this little top. Oh, wow. That was interesting. Got chewed up right away there. Hey, where did we go? I mean, I'll take a couple bucks instead of taking a loss if it will let me. And yeah, I said that right. If it'll allow me to. Just scalping a little bit here and there. I don't like that top wick. The level 2's showing me a lot of stacks. A lot of stacks. They're trying to protect 61.70. Literally right where I'm at. There's 11,000 shares sitting at 61.70. They're trying to protect it. The bulls are. The bears are trying to chew this thing down. As you can see, this, and I'm holding it down. I'm holding my my sell down. They're just chewing this up, this level right here. So to be safe, because you can't use a stop loss in pre-market, they won't let you. Usually I just set something like right there, and then if you don't click this don't remind me again, it'll pop up this confirmation message every time. So now you can watch it. You know I have my sell up at 83.99 or 84 cents, but now I have a stop right here. Basically, I just have to manually activate that stop. So, you know, if it looks like crazy, like the volume's just pumping in and it looks like it's going to dump, why not just take your profit, right? You know, it's one way of looking at it. All right, back to comments and stuff. All right. All right. Who thinks this thing's going to go up and hit that 84 cents? Who thinks? One for yes, two for no in the chat. I'm a one. I think yes. Man, those asks, they're I don't see very many of them, but they're chewing through all this stuff. So anyway, so now that you see how I do my stops, I can go cancel, and as you see, my sell is still up here at 83. Squid says yes, it's gonna go up there. Captain says no. Well, we're going to go back to the old rule of it's going to push up above volume weighted average price. It's going to pull back, gets back above volume weighted average price, needs to establish itself, which it's doing right now. It's establishing itself above volume weighted average price. MACD is looking like garbage. This could be a fake out breakdown. This could be a fake out breakdown. As long as it's above VWAP, I'm okay. I'm willing to let it run to 54 cents. After that, no mas. No thank you. No thank you. Did it double top us? One top, two top. Don't break VWAP. Come on. You boys were protecting 61. Where the hell did you go? All right. So, on a 5-minute chart, we got some information here, right? We got some information here. We got chewed up here. We got chewed up here. But it's still trying. It's still trying. It's still trying to hold above that volume weighted average price. Let's see what else is there. This is ADGM. ADGM. The way the stocks have been screwing around recently. And I mean, out of 20 people, I got 2 answers. Come on now, guys. 20 people, you can give me 2 answers. Schnook'em, nook'ems. Tug Funny said no. Couldn't remember what number, huh? Empathin says 1. Doug Funny, there you go. Wait, you just switched it. 1 is yes, 2 is no. Come on, baby. Come on. You got to keep hanging on. Got to keep hanging on. There we go. Looks like she's trying to wake up right now. Man, I swear to God, my phone does not stop. There we go. Come on, hurry up. Get up there. Looks like Doug posted something in Pains and Gains. Nice. Made a little bit of money there. Took a little bite of it. Squids did. Doug posted. You got a little bit of TNMG. Nice. Good job there, Doug. Hells yeah. What's up, Midas? Undecided. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, the follow, the share. Be very careful with all these prop traders. There's a ton of them. They're all out there. They're all making it look like they're making a shit ton of money. Come on, baby. Look, right here. Look where it stopped last time. Right here, right? Look over here. It stopped there before. Let's put a little line over here. Let's put a little line over here. Watch. That is a breakout. So it needs to break out now. It's created its base at volume weighted average price. Now it just needs to break on through that. And we got our 83. It should be easy peasy lemon squeezy, but you know, it's the stock market. So let's see what's stacking. Let's go. Break 70. Let's go. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Break 70. Come on, big push. There's 71, 72. Come on, keep on pushing. So we made it past that a little bit. 72. Can I get a 73? Can I get a 73? Come on. Come on. No, it's getting beat up, getting chewed up. Getting chewed up. Come on, baby. There we go. Big push. You got to talk to your stocks, guys. I hope you're doing what I'm doing. How to find resistance support. Well, that's easy. You find where previously the buyers stepped in to keep the price up, and where sellers stepped in to push the price down. So you look for peaks. All right, I'm going to take my profit, I think. I think I might scooch this down here. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it right there. I'm going to do it at 72. Am I? Am I going to do it at 72? Yeah, I guess not. I guess it doesn't want to give it to me. All right, fine. I'll be fickle. I'll be fickle just like the stock. Screw it. I put it back up to 84. Squid took another bite. That's good, man. Keep taking them bites. Keep getting that money. How to find support and resistance? Well, typically I'll use a 30-minute because we're using smaller areas, right? So we're using 30-minute candles. That's what we're using. You can see over here, these little guys have bounced off of this area plenty of times. Okay, this one here couldn't make it. Looks like, look at both of these bodies got in the same spot. These candles closed right in the same area. This one right here, if I put a line there, you'd see, boom, same area, right? Over here on the bottom for your support. Well, right now on the 30-minute in pre-market, this thing is used as support. It's used 39 cents as support. So if you're holding this, if you're like, I'm just gonna hold it, fuck it, I wouldn't let it get past VWAP again. I mean, maybe 56 cents, something like that. Because look, this one found resistance here, and resistance, if the price is under, that's resistance. If the price is over, that is support. But how you check, there are wicks and body. Yeah. We'll see. That just takes experience. Like, I usually look at wicks and bodies. Come on, baby, you're almost there. Keep pushing. Get that 84. Come on, boy. $10 more cents. Looking for 10 more cents. On a 1 minute, we got ourselves a nice little double bottom. Pushed up. Got stopped right there at 76 cents. Using 72 as support right now. Oh, it's broke down. Come on. Come on, bulls. There's got to be some bulls left. That was a good run, though. I mean, this thing took off from 39 cents and made it all the way up to 76. That's not bad. Let's go. Right? BBC. That's right, Cree. And she's not talking about what you perverts are thinking about. Big body candle. Big body candle. Let's go. Man, 24 people. What is going on with my live streams? I guess, I guess I'm not as cool as those prop traders. Maybe that's what it is. Come on, push on through that 84. Let's go. It's using this line as support. So that's good. 72 cents. I was willing to take 72 cents then. Why am I not willing to take 72 cents now? I am willing. I just wanted more profit, right? So I'm getting greedy. So should I put it down here at 72 cents? I think I should. I'm going to just take my profit. Nope. Doesn't want it. Come on, get my 72. See, it's all split second decision making. Making about $9.20 right now. I was making about 11 up here. There we go. Come on. Get me out of there. I'll take a quick little scalp. Come on. I just don't want to pay attention that much to it. I'm paying a lot of attention to it. I want to look at other stocks. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Just made a little bit of money. All right, now it's going to probably push up to that 84 cents because I'm out. But I took some profit. I think I'm up like, I don't know, 30 bucks for the day, maybe even more. We'll see. Got to make that money though, right? 1 minute chart for entry. Yep. That's right. All right, now it's going to get that 84. Watch. There is a big wall at 80 at 50. There are 52,000 shares on 80 cents on the ask. So Midas 30 minute for your major levels. 5 minute is used for confirmation. So I'd use the 5 minute to draw my support and resistant trend lines. So watch, I can do that on here because now we've got enough information, right? This is your 5 minute chart. See that? If I were to line this thing up right here, I'll show you something. If I were to line this up right here and I was to drag it out, just lining it up off that off those two candles, which, let's do this right. Look at that, 75 cents. I'm telling you, once I got out, that gave the okay for the brokers to move it to 84 cents. All right, so there we go. We're touching both of these tips. We've got our horizontal line telling us that's resistance right there. We got this trend line here telling us, hey, that's resistance right there. Look where they meet, so we know that's a solid area of resistance. And then it went, right? It went a little bit. If you spread this out, you can draw yourself trend lines on this 5 minute as well. So obviously you wouldn't draw it from here because you'd be trying to cross over everything, right? But you can draw it from, oh, I don't know, maybe here. Maybe here. You could hit this one. Look at this little wick. You can go off of here. Here's your trend line. Hit the wicks. Hit the wicks. This is your support trend line. Good thing about your support trend line is it's below volume weighted average price, but it's going above it right here. So this little guy is a bad candle. That's not a good candle on a 5 minute. Your MACD's already trying to look like it's going to come down. So there you go. Look where it stopped out. You guys even see that? Right over here. Let me zoom this out a little bit more so you guys can see it. Look where it stopped out. Again. Here, I'll just move this up. Look where it stopped out again. You see that bottom wick? Right here, this wick? I mean bottom wick. You see that top wick? These two here hit. This one hit here. That's your double top. And now you can use this as a support line. Right here, that's your support line. If it breaks that, then you're screwed. It's going to come back down to volume weighted average price. If it can't hold VWAP, then it's coming back down to 32 or 39 cents. That's how you look at that. You might have sold it for some change. LOL. Let's go. All we got to do is make a little bit here, a little bit there. You know, it's pretty easy when things come together the right way. When they're not working out, man, you can do everything. You can kick and scream, and it still won't work out. Here, let's take a look at ATPC. ATPC, let's look at a 30 minute here. No problem, Midas. No problem. Hey guys, if you sign up for the subscription, I don't know if when you sign up, if you're not getting the message, but you gotta look. I'm gonna send you an email with the Discord link. I saw recently someone signed up. I sent them the link. I haven't seen them enter the Discord yet. So that link is only good for 12 hours, and I do that to protect the community. I'm not going to give you a link that's just going to let you in whenever the fuck you want. You know, like there has to be a time limit. All right, so on this one here, I see resistance up here. I see resistance here. Resistance a bunch of times here. Finally broke through here a little bit, right? Currently it's at $2.85. This is ATPC, as you see here on the screen, right about here. All right. Okay, please share. Yeah, when you sign up, if you sign up, then you get the Discord link, and when you get the Discord link, you get in the Discord. And it's 5 a.m. now, and that's where I'm going. So thank you guys for hanging out. I'm gonna head on over there. I'll leave you with this. If this thing can break 3, it'll get 339. And here it goes. There's 303. Let's see. 303 right here. Let's go. Let's see if it can break through before I go to the Discord. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the ones that gave me the hearts me and the roses. Very nice of you guys. And yeah, I will see you later. So your target on ATPC, if you could break through that $3 and hold above $3, you got 333, 339. There's 339 right there. And then your next target after that, this isn't it. This is an extended target. Make it yellow. After that 339, you're probably going to be looking for about 392. There it is. There's your next target on this one. 392. So remember, breaks above $3, you get 333. Breaks above that, you're going to get 392. And look at that. Gee, how did I know there's resistance at 392? I don't know. Just a mystical creature like that. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. And now, Johnny, thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate you. All right. I'm going to head on over to the Discord now. We're going to do some fun stuff there, too. All right. Peace out, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Good job, Night Owl. Good job. See you on the Discord.